Are you a fan of crispy, brown golden, battered fries? Well, look no further than Miss Nora's recipe for the perfect battered fries. With a crispy golden exterior and a fluffy potato interior, these fries are sure to please, and they'll satisfy even the pickiest eaters. So come on in, let's head to the kitchen and whip up a batch of these amazing fries that'll have your taste buds dancing with delight. To begin with, let me introduce you to Miss Nora. Now, she used to run a small restaurant along with her husband in our charming little community. As a teenager, I would occasionally drop by to grab a burger and fries. But these weren't your average fries. They were battered and absolutely delightful. They were much better than the chain restaurant fries and saved the hassle of driving an hour away to bigger towns. I attended church with Miss Nora as an adult. She was an excellent cook and always made loaves of fresh bread to give away. During one of our conversations, she shared with me her recipe for making fries. And of course, I went home and I tried it and boom, that was it. They tasted just like the ones I remember her making. She said that she would soak crinkle-cut French fries in ice water for about 20 minutes before frying to make them puff up. Then she would mix a thin batter of self-rising flour and buttermilk. Now here's her recipe as she listed it in the church cookbook. Now that my fries have soaked in the ice water and they feel a little bit puffy to the touch, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my batter. Now she calls for a medium batter, but you can make it as thin or as thick as you like. It's just according to how much batter you like on your fries. I'm kind of a middle-of-the-road girl. So I just started out by just mixing it by eye, seeing how thin my batter was, and going over and dropping it in my grease to see if I liked the amount of batter that actually stuck to the fry. Now, while I was waiting on them to fry, I went ahead and mixed up 2 small bowls of French fry dip. I like 2 different kinds. I like mayonnaise mixed with spicy ketchup because the mayonnaise takes the spice away. And then I like mayonnaise mixed with mustard and honey, so a honey mustard. Oh my, they are hot and they are ready. Let me show you what I was talking about how much batter sticks to your French fry. And that's all a matter of personal preference. You may want very little on there, you may want it thick, but I'm middle of the road. But look in there, that is a creamy, it's almost like eating mashed potatoes. It's so creamy. And I guess it's because it swells in that ice water. But then I take mine and I dip it in the sauce, and oh my goodness, it takes me right back to Miss Nora's little restaurant. Here I'm just showing you a sampling of the different thicknesses of batter that you can put on your fries. That's a medium batter there where they stick together. That's a really thick batter there. And then you can go right on down to a thin and what I call a lacy batter, where a lot of it just fries off as soon as it hits the grease. But that is all personal preference. You put it as thick or as thin as you like it, and I guarantee you they will be delicious. So thank you, Miss Nora, for sharing this recipe with me and sharing it with your church family. We have really enjoyed it. Now, I would encourage you to give it a try. Do you have any French fry recipes that bring back childhood or teenage memories? If so, share them here. I pride myself on being a French fry connoisseur anyway, and I would love to give them a try. So until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.